Hey guys, tonight I'm going to talk about some basics of exercise, some benefits. Okay, so let's check what are the benefits first. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the improved mood. If you are taking regular exercise, what will happen is serotonin will be released from your brain. That will elevate your mood. So serotonin is a good mood elevator. So if you are depressed, it's the time to hit the gym. Okay. Apart from elevating your mood, it will give you good sleep and will have a good relief from the stress. Okay. And the next one is you will get a stronger bone. Both resistant exercise and weight bearing exercise will give you stronger bone. What are the weight bearing exercise? This is simple cycling, walking, jogging, climbing up the stairs and playing tennis or dancing, all will give you strong bones. And resistant exercises are weight bearing exercise, like wearing the weight. Okay, so for the legs, thigh stretch and leg curl will give you stronger bones. And the next one is a healthy weight. Regular exercise will give you a healthy weight. That means you can reduce your weight for your height and the age. Then regular exercise will burn more calories. So your metabolism will be increased and it will burn more calories. You will be fit and energetic. Okay. And the most important one is the cancer risk reduction. People with cancer will have low immunity. Alright. Regular exercise will help in improving the quality of life. It reduces insulin and insulin-like growth hormone. It improves the immunity of the cancer patients. So regular exercise is very good for cancer patient and also it reduces the risk of getting cancer. Now, and then we have to see the importance of hydration. You will have to take plenty of water. Then you have to hydrate your body, you have to moisturize your body, and about hydration, you will have to take around 500 ml of water before working out. And you'll have to take 3 liters of water throughout the day, and you take little extra water soon after the exercise, maybe after half an hour or so. And what is good and the bad thing about the water? Let's check. Water in required quantity will give you good health. It regulates body temperature. It's necessary for the skin and hair health, and also it's helpful for the general health and lubrication of the joints, and it removes and detoxify our body. So if you take good amount of water, you will have a good health benefit. But it has got some bad effects also. Excess water can reduce our sodium level. This condition is called hyponatremia. It can lead to nausea, vomiting, cramps and fatigues. So don't drink excess water. Okay, 2 to 3 liters of water per day. If you are working well, then that is okay. That is adequate. Don't drink too much of water. Okay, let's check the next one. The next one is aerobic or cardiac exercise. And third is the strength exercise. And also there are exercise for the flexibility. These are the 4 or 5 main types of exercise. These are the few examples of aerobic exercise and flexibility, endurance and strengthening. Now let's check what are the goals. Some of the people wants to increase their performance, especially the people who are in games or sports. They need strength, so they need to take regular exercise to increase their performance. The second one is some people want to increase weight, some people want to lose weight, and some want to keep in shape. That's it. And the third one is Some people want to build muscles and tone their muscles. Okay, then most of the people go for strengthening and increasing their performances. Okay, now let's check what are the importance of stretching. This is very important. People don't go for warm up or stretching before working out. That's very, very important because it prevents injury. If we go for working out before doing a proper warm up and stretching, that can damage your muscles or ligaments. So, to prevent injury, you have to do a proper warm up and stretching. It prevents injury and it increases flexibility of the joints and the muscles, and also it improves the physical activities, and it can cause increased blood flow and oxygen. It increases the performances and also it improves the posture of any individual who is taking exercise regularly. And that's all for tonight. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please share and take care of yourself. Namaste.